So I'm going to show you a comparison between the Mini 3 Pro and the Mavic 3 Pro and the footage. Some of the notable differences between the drone, of course, starting with the price point, but the Mavic 3 Pro has a 4/3 sensor, whereas the Mini 3 Pro has a 1 1/3 sensor. The Mavic 3 Pro has a Hasselblad camera. So you can see the difference with the quality of the color just due to the sensor and the type of camera. And of course, the Mavic 3 Pro has 3 different lenses on the drone. Some other differences are on the Mini 3 Pro, you can do vertical shots, whereas on the Mavic 3 Pro, you can achieve that through some cropping and editing, but using 16:9 footage. Also have different color modes on the Mavic 3 Pro versus the Mini 3 Pro. You get a lot more range on, of course, the Mavic 3 Pro. All in all, the Mini 3 Pro is still a great drone, especially for a beginner that wants some cinematic footage but doesn't necessarily need a Mavic 3 Pro. But if you're looking to step your footage up, I would recommend the Mavic 3 Pro. Judge for yourself.